Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please press the subscribe button and hit that bell icon and enjoy the video. So here we are doing a hair tutorial. We are using 3 packs of REMY Silky 613 Couture hair and a Queen hair frontal. So as you can see, my stylist is just measuring my head using the elastic band method and also using Got To Be styling gel. So to make the glue tacky, she used a blow dryer. As you can see, she's just laying the frontal down, making sure that it's measured around the perimeter of my forehead. And she tied down the frontal to make sure that it would stay firmly secure on my head. This frontal was the perfect size for my head. It is silky, it's lovely, it hardly shreds, and it's good for colouring. So as you can see, she's just cutting the perimeter off the lace. We also decided to make this into a glueless wig, but in the video we opted to glue it down, but I've been wearing it glueless ever since then. So we opted for a straight style. So she's just running her hair straighteners through the hair. The hair took to heat very well. We did use a protective styling spray first. And this is the mousse that she put onto the hair just to set it. This hair is very silky and it's very soft. The texture is smooth. The hair does shred a little bit, but it's a given with 613 hair. As you know, that it's already been coloured and bleached, so it's likely to shred. So that's basically it. This was just a styling video. She did make the wig off camera so that when I ride, all we had to do was style it on camera. I opted for a middle parting because it's one of my favourite ways to wear my hair. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please don't forget to check the description box for all hair related info and my stylist details. Please don't forget to subscribe and I'll speak to you again in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. You can keep up with me on Instagram at IAM_she1 for daily fashion posts, inspirational quotes, beauty and lifestyle content. Also follow me on Snapchat at IAMSHE8 so you can see all the latest BTS action. Add me on my Depop account also, as I sell the latest in women's wear, hair and electronics. If you're a Twitter user, you can also follow me at IAM_she8. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube guys. Take care for now my loves. Bye!